Hi friends, I'm coming to you from the Target parking lot. I am feeling a little self-conscious. I'm kind of feeling like I'm in a fishbowl in the middle of the parking lot talking to myself, but it's okay. We're gonna commit. Okay, so I feel like yapping and I was like, oh, why don't I just do a week in my life? Even though literally no one cares, but it's the week of Halloween. Why not just record it? Anyway, I need to try and keep this intro concise, so let me get to the freaking point. It is Monday. I have found myself at Target because about 3 days ago I was here and I saw this vase that I cannot stop thinking about. Okay, it was giving cottagecore, but the thing is, when I came here the other day, or what was it, like 3 days ago, I was with my boyfriend and he's a major party pooper when it comes to me shopping. Always, if I say I want something like that, he's gonna be like, well, you don't need that. Which sometimes is great, okay? Sometimes we love that, but in that moment, I really just needed someone to tell me to buy it. So I've just been thinking about it for the last 3 days and I'm like, okay, if I can't stop thinking about it, then I need it. Watch me go in and they don't have it. I'll actually probably cry. Just kidding, I won't cry. Well, hopefully I'm gonna do a Target haul after this and it's gonna be amazing and it's gonna include my vase, and that's all I have to say. This is so stupid. I have to have it. You're joking. Say hi. Nope, you can't eat it. The first thing was a necessity, and that is a razor, which I could have sworn that I just bought one of these. I don't know how you lose a razor, but I don't know. And of course, I got my beautiful vase. I should probably be more careful. It is so stunning. Like, I'm obsessed, and it just fits so well with the downstairs. Also can't believe that it's on clearance. Okay, up next we have something that I completely had no intention of getting today, but it was in the dollar section. I'm obsessed with this stocking, so this is gonna go on my desk at work, and it was only $5. And then the last thing I got is also so random. I just got this bath rug with this. I knew it would look so perfect, and I'm gonna go to Michael's to get like fake flowers, and I might see if they have a different picture to put here. That's actually where I got this picture, and to me it's kind of more like summery. It's the next day and I might paint my pumpkin tonight, I'm not sure, but I had to check back in because we have an exciting unboxing. Ignore the mess behind me, by the way. So we have a very exciting unboxing. My Uggs arrived. It feels like Christmas. Let's try them on. You guys, I cannot get these on my feet. I literally looked up how to get these on my feet, and I've been trying everything and I cannot get them on. One of the things it says is that you might need a shoe horn, so I'm literally going to go buy a shoe horn at Target quick and see if I can get them on. So I'll report back. Tonight has been such a flop. Okay, the Uggs aren't fitting on my foot. Hopefully the shoe horn helps, but obviously that was not ideal. And also, I got out Poppy's Halloween costume. Poppy's my little puppy. It's her first Halloween. Okay, it's a big deal. I got out her Halloween costume. We got it back in July because Tractor Supply had their Halloween costumes out. And at the time she was much tinier, so I got her an extra small, and it does not fit her. I got it out today and went to put it on her, and there was just no way. And I didn't like any of the costumes here at Target. I had this really cute duck costume, and so Poppy was gonna be a duck. My boyfriend was gonna dress up as like a hunter, and I was gonna dress up as a deer. I even ordered these little antlers off Amazon, which got delivered today, but I'm literally gonna go return them because there's no point. Obviously, I was just gonna be a deer because of the family costume. So today's just feeling like a big old flop, and I didn't paint my pumpkin.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I actually don't know how to use one of these. know if this is gonna help. I don't understand. Oh, I just want to get my foot in it. Oh my god, it's in it! Hey, Bobby! Yay! Yeah. Look, babe. How do you know? I hate it so much. Wait, there's one of them that I like. No, I don't like any of them. I'll finish this tomorrow. But I hate it. Okay, I added a tail just to see what it would look like, and it's so bad. Hi everyone. It's now Wednesday. It's a gym day, so I have to get ready. But before I do, I got this organizer for my skincare stuff. We're gonna organize that. Oh yeah, so then we're gonna go to the gym, and then later I have to finish my pumpkin because I never finished it. You know, I had a little mentee bee while painting the pumpkin, but my boyfriend really helped me. He came upstairs and he was like, your pumpkin looks so good, and so that really helped me rethink how I look at my pumpkin. I'm gonna finish it. I got to see it through. Anyway, let's get ready for the gym and organize my skincare. What?
The one up there looks good.
This one?
Yeah.
You can tell it's a cat?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like a panda.
No.
See, I put the ears too close together so they look like dogs.
How do you respond? Or at least look happy about it.
I can't.
Oh my gosh. I guess like no one's gonna see this, so. Hi everyone. We made it to the end of the week. It is Thursday night and we're gonna do my hair. So a couple weeks ago I got my hair dyed rose gold. We focused it in the front over top of my money pieces and we kind of ran out of dye for like the underneath highlights. So I got a color depositing conditioner and I used it a couple washes ago and I was unimpressed, but I've had a few days to think about it and I'm gonna give it another try. It is like a gradual product anyway, so I'm gonna give it another try. And also, like, I can't really return it, but like it's a pump, so I can't really return it, so we're just gonna try it again. When I did it before, I had shampooed my hair first and then I used a blow dryer for most of it, but I still feel like maybe it was damp. And this conditioner, it won't be as vibrant if you use it on wet hair, so we're going to use it on dry hair and then I'm going to rinse it out. It's Halloween. Thank you for watching this week in my life. I'm going to end it here.